Okay, let's see, posture. Well, we can start in a seated position then if we're gonna work on posture. That's probably the best one. Shoulders over hips. Doesn't matter how you sit. You can do a full lotus, half lotus, cross your ankles, whatever one is feels good for you. Just sit up nice and tall. Find a gentle breath. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Start to notice your breath. Don't try to change it. Just observe what it's doing. And once you find your breath, try to find your heart rate. Just observe it. Blood flowing through your blood vessels. And then start to make your breath deeper. Big breath in through the nose. Feel the belly. Up to the chest. Up to the top of your head. And letting go with the exhale. And keep that going. Belly, chest, all the way up. Long, slow exhale. Relaxing into it. Belly, chest, all the way up. Letting go. So don't force the air out, just let it go, release it. Time as you inhale, reach your shoulders up to your ears. And with your exhale, drop your shoulders down and back. Relaxing into it. Fully in. And letting go. Make this breath round and cyclic, no pause between inhale and exhale. Round and round. Every now and then you can add the shoulders up to your ears, nice shrug, and as you exhale, drop them down. Let your elbows be nice and heavy. Take your left hand to your right knee, turn your neck, gaze over your right shoulder. Let it go. Turn the other way. Right hand to your left knee, gaze over your left shoulder. Letting go. Coming back to center. Bring your feet bottoms together, let your knees fall apart. Open up your feet toward the ceiling. Big breath in. And as you exhale, fold over. Let the top of your head hang towards the mat. Breathe into your inner thighs. Coming back up with the inhale. Hang for the exhale. Flatten your hands. Switch around, come to a wide leg child's pose. Reach your fingers toward the front of the room. Press your hips toward the back. Big breath in. And with your exhale, let your forehead sink into the mat. Relax your shoulders and base of your neck. As you breathe in, your belly hangs between your thighs. And as you exhale, your hips get nice and heavy. Breathing in the length of your spine. And then exhaling, relax the base of your neck. Even more, forehead becomes even more heavy. Coming up to the tabletop. Then step your left foot behind your left hand, right foot behind your right hand. Let your hips sink down. Bring your palms together, center of your chest, prayer squat. Breathe into your belly. Relaxing through the hips, still maintaining that heaviness, that density. Spread your toes wide when you inhale. And then try gripping the mat with your toes with your exhale. Inhale, spread your toes. Exhale, grip the mat. Take an inhale, send your hips high. Hold with the exhale. Come all the way up with the inhale, reach up. And exhale to prayer. Your feet a little closer together. Shoulders over hips, hips over knees. Knees over feet. Head floating toward the ceiling. A few rounds of pranayama. Big breath in. Exhale, interlace your fingers, press down. Inhale, your arms forward and up, reach up. Palms together as you exhale. Hands zipper down the center, interlace, press down. All the way out with your breath. Keep it going at your own pace. Big inhale. And palms together. Two more just like that. Last one, biggest one of all. And come to Tadasana, palms facing forward, mountain pose. Find a gentle breath. Stay there. You can inhale, arms widen up. In an eagle pose with your exhale, left arm moves under right. Grab the opposite shoulders. Squeeze your elbows with an inhale. Sit your hips low with the exhale. Eagle pose, inhale, left knee up. Exhale it over the right. Once you're there, you can squeeze your elbows together, bring your palms to touch. Inhale, reach your fingers high. Squeeze your elbows together. Exhale, sit your hips low. Inhale, unwind, unwind, arms widen up. Exhale, right under left this time.
Stiff as a zombie? I hear sitting is the new smoking, a slow death by road trip. Three Breaths Wellness brings healing, resilience, and much-needed flexibility, sharpening awareness for active adults and athletes worldwide. Our online classes fit any schedule, anywhere. Join globally or visit our 4 premium partner studios local to Grants Pass, Oregon. Yoga, breathwork, Tai Chi, meditation, athletic, and martial arts conditioning. Use code PPM15 for 15% off your first month and take your life back. Ah, now that's better. Go to 3breathswellness.org and sign up now.